ना, when I first saw Parvarish, and of course loved the cast, loved the concept, everything, but I still felt that you looked underage for a pre-med student because you look very young. And मैंने तो review में भी कहा कि you know she looks nothing older than a 12-year-old, but you look younger than your age. You are very young, but you look even younger. Incidentally ऐसा है कि समर के साथ बहुत अच्छी on screen compatibility है, although he's older, but there's still compatibility. But in a drama like for example वो ज़िद्दी सी with दानियाल अफजल, and वो भी एक निकाह का सीन था, और ऐसे और ज़्यादा ड्रामे नहीं आपने किए है ना, in which you have an older co-star. But are you?
Because I normally say no to dramas
that's
like
what
that.
I was going to say. Are you getting those offers and you're saying no to them?
Yeah. I'm
You're
saying
consciously
I take out,
making that effort.
yes.
Yeah.
I am, consciously trying to do dramas that do not involve love triangles that much, or like any love romantic interest, but obviously वो होता है.
हम तुम में was a lighter track.
Yeah, it was a lighter track.
Exactly.
But जब scripts लिखी जाती हैं तो वो ज़्यादातर एक 18, 20, 25 year old के बारे में लिखी जाती हैं. मैं 18 year old play करती हूँ ज़्यादातर. तो it is, it's a little bit like कि मैं काम ना करूँ या फिर मैं काम करूँ. And I want to work.
Yeah.
I because I really like what I do.
Because there aren't many lead characters written for 16-year-olds.
Yeah, but the only drama that I did, which was actually my age, it was Mairi. I was 14 when I was doing that drama, 14 or 13. Yeah, 14 or 13, and I was actually 14 or 13. And the character was also 14 or 13.
Even Parvarish भी ठीक है, 1-2 साल का फर्क है, but it's
1-2 साल का फर्क है. अगर ज़्यादातर देखा जाए तो I'm a college going girl.
Yeah.
And I'm going to college in like 2 years.
Yeah.
So, I'm just playing 2 years apart. So it's like I'm playing an 18-year-old.
Yeah.
तो हमारी स्क्रिप्ट्स ऐसी हैं ही नहीं जो एक 16 साल की बच्ची पर लिखी हो, और वो it's a little bit hurtful to my pride as well if I just stop working because I really like it.
No, absolutely.
I really like it. So I don't want to stop, and I still want to keep going. I think I can better my craft with the more experience that I get, and that's my goal. To better my craft, to become a good artist. That is what I want to do. तो अगर जो स्क्रिप्ट्स मुझे ऑफर होंगी वो ज़्यादातर इसी एज ग्रुप की होती हैं, बिकॉज कोई लिखता ही नहीं है 16 साल की बच्ची के बारे में. अगर लिखेंगे तो ऑफकोर्स आई विल बी मोर देन विलिंग टू डू इट. व्हाई वुड आई से नो? तो वो एक चीज़ है कि आई ऑल्सो रियलाइज कि समटाइम्स लोगों को होता है बिकॉज देव सीन मी ग्रो अप, राइट? तो वो लोगों को होता है कि अरे शी वाज अ किड like 2 days ago. Now she's doing a drama where she's not a kid.
You're still a kid.
Like in the character I'm talking about. Like वो ज़िद्दी सी. People, it was really hard to digest my character for some people, which is understandable. Which is completely understandable. I get it. I think Jurwa is very well perceived. People like that drama. लेकिन वो ज़िद्दी सी थोड़ा सा controversial मेरी side से, मेरी age को लेके हो गया था, which is understandable. I completely get it why people felt like that. But वो फिर back story क्या होती है, वो सारी चीज़ें, it's hard to explain some certain stuff to people. मुझे I don't know how to describe how I feel once I like a character and once I want to portray them. तो वो एक feeling होती है जो अंदर से ही आती है, जिसको मैं describe नहीं कर सकती. तो वो मैं पूरी कोशिश करती हूँ कि नाइंसाफ़ी ना हो character के साथ. I do my best, and if it's still a little bit hard for people to digest, I get it, but like I'm growing up, I'll obviously do characters that are a little bit mature because अब मैंने I think I've proved myself enough to not do side characters. Because I've worked very hard for 5 years and मैंने बहुत मेहनत की है, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अब साइड कैरेक्टर्स भी अगर मैं करूँ तो वो थोड़े से इम्पैक्टफुल हो, उनकी कोई स्टोरी हो तो ज़रूर करेंगे, आई डोंट माइंड. लेकिन ज़्यादातर जो मुझे अगर होते हैं ऑफर जो मेरी एज के होते हैं, देर नॉट रियली इन द स्टोरी एट ऑल, एंड इट्स लिटिल बिट कि लाइक
अब नहीं,
हाँ मतलब इतना तो काम कर लिया, अब अभी भी लाइक आई कैन डू बेटर. आई एम ऑब्वियसली विलिंग टू डू बेटर, बट अब तो इतना प्रूफ कर दिया कि आई कैन बी अ पार्ट ऑफ द मेन स्टोरी इवन इफ इट्स नॉट ऑन मी, विच इज फाइन. लेकिन थोड़ा सा तो हो ना, थोड़ा सा तो काम हो, थोड़ा सा मार्जिन हो एक्टिंग का, टू प्रूव माई सेल्फ, एक अच्छा लगे कि इस ड्रामे में इसने ये किया था, एंड दैट्स रियली नाइस.
You're non-stop now working, alhamdulillah, and do you feel that you're at an age where perhaps you will need to take a break of some months or a year and then come back like all grown up? Because एक ये भी तो एक फॉर्मूला होता है ना कि जो चाइल्ड स्टार्स के लिए होता है कि वो एज अ चाइल्ड आर्टिस्ट काम कर रहे होते हैं, then they take a break and then they come back all grown up and then they can be cast in the grown up roles. Or do you think अब यही है बस, अब grow up on screen ही करना है?
I will grow up on screen.
You'll grow up on screen.
Yeah, people, but you never know. Circumstances change हो सकते हैं.
Maybe you want to go abroad to study or something.
Yeah, and that is a part of my plan.
Right.
तो वो शायद हो जाए. लेकिन
I was going to ask you, do you have a plan?
Yes.
What is your plan? I want to
Okay,
know your,
now big dreams I
I want
have.
to know, yeah, dreams हमेशा big ही होनी चाहिए.
I want to go to RADA, which is the
Nice.
Royal Academy of Dramatic Arts.
Of course.
It's a very big dream of mine.
Okay.
And inshallah, one day you guys will see me posting a picture in front of the main board of RADA.
Inshallah.
One day. So that's a very big dream of mine. I want to achieve it. I'm very serious about it. I just want to turn over age, of age, and then I'll go. Inshallah, most probably according to my plan.
Yeah.
That's my plan. That I want to go at RADA. I want to do a diploma from there, and that's my original plan. But other than that, if acting is not something that I want to pursue academically, I'll go towards being a psychologist.
Okay.
Yeah, it's always been a dream of mine.
Okay.
And so those are two big dreams I have.
Okay.
Inshallah, I'll achieve at least one.
Inshallah. Why will you achieve both? You can also achieve
Yeah,
both.
I can also achieve both. Yeah, I'll achieve both.
हाँ. अब तो साइकोलॉजिस्ट की बात की है अब, और साइकोलॉजिस्ट को लेके बहुत एक बड़ी एक फस बना पिछले दिनों में when you were on the morning show, and you very rightly said, and by the way, I'm extremely proud of you for saying this, because it's something that not many people would have been brave enough to say, but it's completely true कि जब आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम होती है तो आप दवा के साथ दुआ, दोनों चीज़ें go hand in hand, and कोई भी एक चीज़ cannot work without the other, we believe, right?
Yes.
But you said that, you know, psychiatrists या psychologists कहते हैं कि जी नमाज पढ़ो, and that statement was taken completely out of context.
It was taken completely out of context. Yes.
These things happen in our media, especially with social media being so active, और हर एक comment हर popular बंदे का scrutinize होता है, it's under the microscope.
Yeah.
Does that ever like scare you?
Of course.
It does.
Of course it does. Like जब हम सब बैठे हुए थे तो हम लोग 4 लोग थे and our host. तो जब किसी टॉपिक से बात हो रही होती है और आप रिलेट कर जाते हो ना, तो आप बहुत इमोशनली चार्ज हो जाते हो. And I am a person, I run by my emotions, you know. I'm very, if I get excited, you'll see me talking with my hands, and if I'm sad, you'll see me slouching. Like, I am a person like that. I do let my emotions take control of me, which I feel like can be a bad thing. तो वो जो टॉपिक चल रहा था हमारा, उससे I could relate to it. I do feel like कि मेरी wording बेहतर हो सकती थी.
Okay.
I will always take responsibility and accountability for something that I have done wrong. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि wording मेरी बेहतर हो सकती थी. मेरा जो कहना था ना वो ये था कि थेरेपिस्ट, थेरेपी, इन सारी चीज़ों को अभी भी एक टैबू टॉपिक समझा जाता है. टू आस्क फॉर हेल्प इज अ वेरी करेजियस थिंग. इट टेक्स अ लॉट फॉर अ पर्सन टू से दैट आई एम नॉट ओके एंड आई नीड हेल्प. एंड पीपल विल स्टिल व्यू यू एज क्रेजी, एज लाइक अरे ये तो पागल है. To have that courage, to be that strong, to ask for help, and then जब आप किसी के पास जाओ और वो आपको ये बोले कि तुम्हारा ये गलत है, तुम्हारा ईमान गलत है, तो it's very like you feel so inferior कि मेरा खुदा भी मुझसे प्यार नहीं करता, you know, मेरा खुदा भी, हालांकि अल्लाह आपसे हमेशा प्यार करता है. आप जो कर रहे हो, पूरी दुनिया अगर आपके साथ नहीं और अगर एक अल्लाह आपके साथ है ना, तो it doesn't matter that the whole world isn't with you. And हमारा दीन इतना खूबसूरत है. What I meant to say was that psychologists, therapists, ये सारे लोग, it's not their business. अगर ये आपने कभी सुना है तो आपका खुदा आपसे प्यार करता है. You are doing enough. Feel it. You are doing enough. And people basically proved my point कि अभी भी depression, any mental illness, not just depression, any mental illness is still not viewed as an illness.
Yeah.
It's still viewed, oh, you can control it by your mind. No, you cannot. It's not something that can be controlled. Because who wants to, you know, not get up in the morning? Who wants to waste their life away rotting in bed? Nobody wants to do that. It's something that's not in one's control.
Yeah.
And when you go to a therapist and they say that to you, it's so humiliating to you. It's so humiliating to hear. As a Muslim, it's so humiliating to hear. That's what I meant to say, is that if you've ever heard that, so it's not your fault. You are doing enough. Of course, you can do more, but Allah still loves you.
Yeah.
And it's none of their business. Your religious matter is none of anyone's business. It's between you and Allah. Of course, do your best to better it. Do your best, but it is between you and Him. That's it.
So what was your reaction when this blew up? Or did you realize on set when you said it कि ये problem ना बने?
मैंने नाउज़ुबिल्लाह मैंने हमारे दीन को गलत थोड़ी ना बोला था.
Of course.
मैंने तो बस ये बोला था कि दुआ के साथ दवा भी ज़रूरी है. खुदा ना खास्ता अगर किसी को बहुत बड़ी इलनेस होती है, फॉर एग्जांपल कैंसर,